The pigs have been in their first paddock on pasture for about a week now, so it is time to move them into a new spot. Scratchy, scratchy. That's the spot right there. You may notice that the tarp on the pig shelter is a little bit different. Yesterday I had some help in getting that swapped out to a better tarp. Check this out.
Probably not.
The blue tarp on the pig shelter has been starting to fray and get shredded, and there's been little pieces of blue tarp everywhere in the paddock, which I don't want. I don't want plastic mixed in with the soil here when I'm trying to rejuvenate or revitalize the pasture. Are we disrupting your afternoon?
I might need to move this whole thing, guys. Watch out. Hi. Hi.
So here's an example of that. There's lots of this blue stuff in the grass. I've been picking it up the last several days, as many pieces as I can find. So dance partner came over today to help swap out with one. Hey, quit biting at my boots there. So she came over today to help swap the tarp out with one of the heavy-duty gray farm tarps. If we can get this one off. Ow, good gravy. Hey, 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 no, 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 you can't have that. Give that back. No, no. All set?
So,
Looks good. Is it Piggy approved?
she seems happy.
Good.
She acts as if she hasn't seen this part yet.
That's a happy piggy.
Do you like it? Boop.
And you, sir?
Can I boop your nose? Boop, boop. He doesn't like me as much.
That was yesterday, but today we're moving the pigs into their new paddock, which is gonna be right where I'm standing. This is gonna be a super easy move. I'm just gonna set up fencing along this right here, open that gate, the pigs will just move right in. I'm just gonna go grab that fencing, get it set up. Let's do it. I'm gonna see if I can get them to move over into this paddock without having to lure them with any food. I'm just gonna open this, we'll see if they come in. They should. If they don't, I'll get some food for their tray and lure them in that way. Pig, pig, pigs. Pig, pig, pigs. Come on. Come on, piggy, piggies. Come on, piggy, piggies. We have one in. Come on, dude. Oh, don't go back. Come on. Come on in. It's nice in here. Come on. He needs a little encouragement. Wrong way, dude. There you go. Come on. Come right over. I'm gonna have to get some feed for them. They're not taking the bait without it. No, no water in there yet. It's filling though. Check back in a few minutes. With the pigs moved into their new paddock, I'm going to rake their old paddock, get it leveled out, and do some overseeding. Ideally, I'd have hay to throw down now on top of the seed. That way it would prevent the heat of the sun from baking the seeds, and then also it'd hold in some moisture for the seeds to get better germination. But I don't have any hay right now, so I'm just gonna leave it as is and hope for the best. And by as is, I mean I'm gonna go get the garden hose and spray it down so there's some moisture in there, and we're gonna get some rain in a couple nights. Hopefully that'll be good for germination. If you want to know more about the seed mix I used, you can check out my last video. I'll put a pop-up bubble in the top right hand corner of your screen right now, so you can click on that and learn more about my seeding that I did in my last video.